In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Freshdesk, a powerful platform designed to streamline your customer support processes. Whether you're new to Freshdesk or just looking to brush up on your skills, understanding the basic navigation can make a world of difference in your daily tasks. Let's start with the main navigation panel, which you'll find on the left side of the interface. This panel is your gateway to the core areas of Freshdesk, allowing you to effortlessly switch between different functions such as tickets, contacts, companies, social, solutions, forms, reports, and admin settings. Each section is tailored to help you manage various aspects of customer support and your overall platform operations effectively. First up is the dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your command center. It provides a quick overview of key metrics and performance data, giving you a snapshot of how your customer support team is performing. From here, you can see the status of your operations at a glance and identify areas that might need your attention. Now let's dive into the heart of the platform, tickets. This is where the bulk of your customer interactions will occur. In the tickets area, you can filter, view, and create support requests, making it easier to stay organized and respond promptly to customer inquiries. Managing tickets effectively leads to improved response times and increased customer satisfaction. Next, we have contacts. This section is a treasure trove of customer information, containing details about customer interactions and contact information. Efficiently managing contacts helps you personalize support and maintain a thorough record of customer interactions over time. Following contacts is the company section. This area enables you to organize customer information based on the companies they represent. It's particularly useful for businesses dealing with B2B support, as it allows you to track and manage multiple contacts associated with a single client. Moving on, we come to solutions, which is essentially your knowledge base. Here, customers can find answers to common questions on their own, reducing the number of incoming support requests. A well-maintained solution section empowers customers to help themselves, which can be a great time saver for your support team. The analytics section is next. This area provides you with data-driven insights into your customer support performance. By analyzing these insights, you can assess how well your team is performing, identify trends, and make informed decisions to improve your customer service strategies. Lastly, the admin section is where you'll find all the administrative settings. This is where you can configure the platform, set user permissions, and ensure that the system is aligned with your organizational needs. A handy tip for navigating quickly is using keyboard shortcuts. For instance, pressing G followed by D will take you to the dashboard, G plus T will bring you to tickets, and so forth with different combinations for the various sections like social, solutions, forums, customers, reports, and admin. I hope this walkthrough has made Freshdesk's interface a little more familiar. With these basics under your belt, you can now move through the platform with confidence and make the most of its powerful features. Thank you for watching, and happy navigating.